Thanks for joining us today. We're going to start seated with our legs crossed. Straight back, focus on your posture and your breath. We use this to get ourselves centered. You can bring your arms up to the sky for a stretch, taking a few breaths each time. We're going to repeat it a couple times. This time we're going to bend from side to side to feel that stretch. Now we're going to move onto all fours and practice child's pose. So you can just rock forward and back with your knees on your mat. You can stay back in child's pose as long as you would like. You're going to come onto your feet to practice downward facing dog. You can rotate your knees, bending them to get a good stretch. You can fold forward into the plank position and alternate those as you wish. Walk your feet up to the front of your mat, to your hands, and fold forward at the front of your mat. Keep a slight bend in your knees and rotate your shoulders side to side. Rise up into mountain pose, lift your arms to the sky and lean back slightly. Focusing on your breathing here. Repeat again, deep breath in. You're gonna go into a deep lunge with your knee on the mat, back straight, looking up to the sky. You can raise your arms as well. Take some time to sit and be still. Focus on your breathing. You can stay in meditation as long as you would like, and you can repeat any of the poses featured in this video at your own pace. Thanks for joining us.